Hi all, we are happy to announce that we have our new attendance system website which will be used to track the students' attendance and make the payment process very seamlessly. We are proud to announce that our alumni of EC Exam Academy have done this full stack development project. In this video, I will be explaining you how to use the website and track the attendance and make the payment. Let's get started. First, go to our homepage www.ecexamacademy.com. and this is our landing page. Here in the top right corner, the attendance button will be shown. Click on that. Now we have arrived at our brand new attendance system page. As a first time user, click on forget password and give the email ID that you have given for the admission form and send reset link. You will get a recent link and you can choose your own password. Using the email ID and the password, log into your account. This is our student dashboard. In this dashboard, you can see the attendance rate, that is out of how many classes you have attended and how many classes you have present. Here it is showing 100% because out of 43 classes attended, the student has attended all the 43 sessions. And this is the enrolled batches, in which batches the student is enrolled. Like for example, the student may be enrolled in physics as well as maths or science as well as mathematics. So it will be shown accordingly here. And this is our attendance history and attendance trend for the previous months as well. You can change the mode to dark mode by clicking on this button. Going to the download reports option, you can download the attendance history like a bank statement. For example, if I want to download for the month of October, give the dates and click. You can download it either in CSV option or as download PDF option. I am clicking the download PDF option. The PDF will be opening like this. The attendance report will contain all the dates that the class has been scheduled, whether the student is present or absent, and any other remarks if it is there. The default remarks will be present, and the class remark will be what are the chapters that have been taught in that particular class. For all the batches, it will be shown, and at the payment information, how much amount the student must be paying is shown here, and the pending fee of the student is also shown here, and the UPI ID is shown. You can use the QR code and the UPI ID for the payment. Let us move on to how to do the payment process. Click on the payment option and the total amount due for the student is displayed here. You can scan the QR code and make the payment. After making the payment, in the upload payment proof, click on the option and upload the screenshot of the payment that you have done. After uploading the screenshot, the payment history will be reflected here. So the amount 4,200, let us say, suppose you have paid, and the pending status will be shown. Then from the backend, we will be verifying the payment and making it to approved, and everything will be resetting here to 0. Please remember that only one payment upload per month is allowed. If any remaining fee is pending, then that will be carried forwarded to the next month. As a documentation purpose and a user guide, we have made a quick tutorial. If you have any more doubts and suggestions, please feel free to contact us. We will be helping you with it. Apart from this, the students will be getting email which consists of all their attendance as well as the fee details to be paid. The email will be sent to the registered email ID at every month end. Thank you for watching this video, and once again we are proud that this complete attendance system was done by our alumni of our EC Exam Academy.